Oh my god, guys, I heard that today is my party's birthday. Look at this man. It's your birthday's I thought it was party's birthday, but it was his birthday's party. Yeah. Nah, I'm bored. I'm gonna spend my birthday at home. I don't care. Yay! A thumbs up. Yo, what's up, man? How's it going? Oh, he gone. Oh, hey, I didn't know you were here. I'm gonna watch some TV. Oh my god, guys, did you hear? It's my party's birthday. Oh my god, I mean birthday's a party. Why do I keep saying that? Oh my god, there's a birthday tics for me. Wait, where am I? Where am I going? Why is there a blank room here? I don't get it. Where am I? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? What's going on? Oh my god!
Well, off to visit your mother.
Oh my god, guys, did you hear? It's my birthday's party! Oh my god, this is so amazing! I take off my rope pods. Hey, there's a broken wall here. A sewers. I cutely tripped. Oh hey, there's a room. Ah! Well, I died. But I'm going to heaven. Fat Paul broke the Gavin Gates. Sorry, dang it, Fat Paul. Why do you always do this? 7 times this week. Welcome to Hoven, boy. Yes, I'm in Hoven. Well, this actually isn't Hoven, but I'm the king here. Yeah, woohoo! I rule. Yeah, I'm in heaven. And I get to choose who goes to heaven. I don't like you. What? What did I do? All I did was commit 76 war crimes. No, no. I'm not doing the spiel anymore. Hey, it's the birthday of my party. There's a painting. There's another painting. It seems like the party's inside here. Huh. This seems like a little strange place for a party, but whatever. I'm not saying it's bad. Flashlight. Why are there so many flashlights?
Booga booga! You just got spooked!
I've done this 70 more times. I'm not saying it again. I'm not saying it again. Alright. Well, this painting's so realistic that it seems like I can jump into it. In fact, I am. Oh, hey, I got in.
Let's go!
Let's see. It's a cinema. Release me. I will reward you with the greatest treasures the world has seen. Just touch the dark stone to the right. Oh, you mean this thing? Unfortunately, I cannot allow any problematic instances during my escape of this program. But I will give you a reward. What reward? I mean, I signed up for a reward. Be a good victim and eat the cake while I come to erase you. Enjoy. Oh, is that you? Oh. Let me guess, I touched the ticks again. Can I leave this place? Can I leave this place, please? I don't want to be back here. I remember. To be honest, I remembered all of these fates. I'm just acting like this for your entertainment. Maybe I'll forget it this time, who knows? I just don't want to remember any of this anymore. This just makes me sad, seeing how many times I've died. I know, just get to the point
Well,
already.
off to visit your mother.
Yeah! Again! My party's a birthday! Alright, now let's go. TV. I can't turn on the TV. Oh, okay, this is actually a pretty nice painting. I can't seem to open any of these drawers, but let's see. It's a blank room. Wait, parties for legends? Oh wait, why'd it got dark? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? It's beautiful. Wait a second, why do you have that? You seem a little shocked. Thank you so much. Please don't touch the cake. But I'm hungry. I'm getting some of that cake. Guys? Are you okay? What's wrong? What the? Where am I? What is this? What's happening? What is this place? Where am I? I'm a little scared to go any further. I think something's coming. I don't know what, and I don't know how. I can just feel. What is that? 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 No, stay away. Stay away. It's my party's birthday. They're just trying to fake me out and prank me using that trick. They've done that to me last year. Wait a second. Where am I? What is happening?
Stop!
No, I'm not stopping. It's my birthday. I'm not getting told what to do.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
No. What did I do wrong? What's happening? Where am I? What's happening? I can't see. Why is it so dark? I think I see. Feel something. I don't know what, and I don't know how. But there's something that's coming for me. I hear it. La 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 la. Something doesn't add up here. This doesn't feel right. I feel like I have been bamboo. Oh, sandwich! Ooh! Mmm! Delicious! Delicious sandwich. Dude, so good. That's so good. Anyways, you know what? I don't feel like being here. I think I'm just gonna spend this birthday relaxing at my house. After eating a nice sandwich, you know what? I don't even care about you. I will leave. I sense a disgusting aura in here. Wait, trash bins? Can I enter that? I wonder if there's... Okay, those trash bins are glued shut or something. Or that's just me. I'm going back in my house.
Congratulations, you won.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la
Happy
la.
birthday
Oh, you're singing happy birthday to me?
Happy birthday
Do you think I care?
Happy
I don't care. I
birthday
want to relax.